Alright guys, today we're gonna go ahead and do an install on the ABS guard kit on my 2016 Toyota Tundra, but this also works for the 4Runners, Tacomas, and I want to say the GX series Lexus. So this is what it's gonna look like after install. See that? Pretty easy. Let's see. I don't really see the back. Let's go to the back and take a look at it. Let's see. That's the back installed. Okay, so package comes with everything you need. You get 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and all the supplied hardware. It comes in a little post office box. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the first one. 1 second. Alright guys, so this is what the stock ABS sensor looks like. So what you gotta do is remove this 5mm Allen. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. I already loosened mine up, so mine should be loose. Yeah. Let's knock that out real quick. The bolt's not too long, but it's pretty long. So get that out. Done deal. So the ABS kit comes with everything you need here. Always try the shorter bolts first. You get 2 sets, the longer set and the shorter set. Try the shorter set. At least for my Tundra, the shorter ones work, or the ones that worked. So now we're here. Shorter bolt. Going to stick that in there. This is where it's going to get a little challenging one-handed, but I'm going to go ahead and grab this, put that in the hole, and start it. Alright, once it's started, just go ahead and just get in there as much as you can. So pretty easy there. Now once you get it close to where you need, yeah, so once you have your 5mm, where's it at? There it is. Put that in there. Okay, once it gets snug, then you go ahead and start moving your see if I get a good picture. Alright, well, let me go ahead and get that going real quick. Okay guys, so you can see I got it on there. Line it up. And this is important right here. Don't over tighten it, but make sure it's on there snug. So just enough where I'd say hand tight's pretty solid. There it goes. Then go ahead and check it, check movement. I don't think that one's going anywhere. Just in case. Alright, there's that. Okay, now there you go. That's the first. It's the first ABS sensor. Oh hey Luna, what's going on? Alright, so that's my cat. Anyways, that's the first one for the front. The easiest one. Doesn't take very long at all. If you're not recording, then it's literally like 5 minutes. Now to move on to the rear. 1 second. Also guys, one thing I forgot to note, on the back of these there's a little slot for the wire. It's not even a slot, it's just kinda so the wire kinda can go through there. So make sure it's close enough. I mean mine's like right on there. So just make sure you keep that in mind when you put them on. But for the most part, they look pretty solid. As you can see, I have the gold ones on here. I do have a new set of purple ones. As far as I know, these fit 4Runner, Tacomas, Tundras, and like I said earlier, the Lexus GXs. But I think they use the longer bolts. So, alright, onto the rears. Okay guys, this is what the rears look like after install. Just to see the little slit I was talking about for the wire right there. Just make sure you get it close. Okay guys, so next step. So take off the ABS sensor like you normally would. You'll notice there's a stud right here. It's not an Allen wrench, it's a stud. I put the ABS sensor on top of the brake line. I'm not sure how delicate they are, but just be careful pulling it out. So you get that stud right there. That nut that comes off of the sensor. Ah, I got ants. The nut that comes off of that sensor, put it back onto the stud. We have to remove this stud in order to get our kit on. So we're gonna go ahead, and the kit comes with the nuts you need. So we're not gonna, these nuts right here, we're not gonna use after this, so it's okay. You're gonna go ahead and grab your nut, slap it on there. So we got to take this stud out. So we're going to go ahead and put that nut on there. And from here, you're going to go ahead and use your use your 10mm box wrench. You're going to crank down on that guy, so it's nice and snug. See it like mine. Okay. So from here, you're going to go ahead. Let's see how I'm going to. One second. Okay, so you're going to. It's easier with two hands. You're going to hold it with the box wrench right here. And then, quick second. Okay, so you're going to hold it with the box wrench. And you can use another box wrench. I use socket. So go ahead and get that on there, and just start loosening. Start tightening away so it's really snug. Okay, mine's on there nice and tight now, but you get the idea. Once you're at this part, go ahead and just start to. Okay. See that? Once you get that far, it should. Yep. Oh. Okay, hold on. See, mine didn't work right there. So go ahead and try it again. Try it again. 1 second. So, as I said earlier, put your box wrench and then socket, and then just tighten it away. Just tight. Let's see if this alright, it's on there. Okay, and then from there, once it's on there tight, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and I like doing this. Turn it loose, it just should come right out. Well, it just depends on how much rust you have under here, how long this has been here. As you can see, mine's oh snaps. Oh, there we go. Come out. I have a 2016, so stuff's still pretty good. Here it is. That stud came out of there. Beautiful. Okay, so now same thing with the last one. Go ahead and grab one of these. Always start with the shortest bolt first. See how that goes for you. If you need to go to a longer one, go ahead and go to the longer one. Okay, now that we're here, we go ahead and grab our ABS sensor, guys. Pop that little guy right back in there. Boom. Make sure you line up the hole properly. Something like that. Should be good. Now we got that one going. We're going to go ahead and try to get this guy in there. It's going to be a little difficult because it's at an angle to get it started. Okay, so I got mine started. Just right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my 5mm. Okay, I'm gonna need the ratchet for this. We need the good old little ratchet for this guy. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Boom. Okay, wrong way. Okay, here it goes. We're gonna go ahead. Put that in there as so, and just sorry, I was trying to record. Trying to record and hold the camera is not one of my strongest suits. So just go ahead, keep going. This one's pretty long. It's not too bad. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, see that's still pretty loose. Gotta get in there enough. Okay, I feel it almost. Okay, it's right there. Okay, from here, before you do anything, just make sure that little line solid right there. See that? Beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna go here, hold it because it sometimes likes to move, and just give it hand tight. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and check movement. Back up, check movement. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. And that's the install for Toyota Tundra 2016 Toyota Tundra ABS card kit.